Behold, a map to untold riches.
Squawk! Look, Bablu. What is it, Zazu?
We are going to be rich very soon.
I think this is it.
Yes, that has to be it. Bablu, run.
What was that?
What is that?
This map does not make sense. I think we are lost.
Oh my!
Oh my! What is the procedure for finding the treasure of Merani?
I will give you a golden rod, which if you give to this lady, her beauty will be restored, and then she will...
This place is a bit spooky.
Are we almost there?
I hope so.
What are you doing here?
We have come here to take the treasure. You have to make me beautiful again for the treasure.
We did it!
We actually did it.
Oh my goodness! Oh, a treasure chest! We found it!